Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to compute a polynomial equation. So let's start this program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named compute polynomial that takes two parameters, coefficient and x. Here coefficient means a list of coefficient representing the polynomial. The coefficient are given in decreasing powers of x, and x means the value at which we want to compute the polynomial. This function will calculate the polynomial's value at the given x. Here in the next line, here we initialize a variable result to 0. This variable will be used to accumulate the sum of all the terms in the polynomial as we calculate each term in the following loop. Now in the next line, n stores the number of terms or the number of coefficient in the polynomial. Here the length coefficient function returns the length of the coefficient list, which represent the total number of terms in the polynomial. For example, if the coefficient is equals to 1, 4, 5, then n is equals to 3 because there are 3 coefficient or 3 terms in the polynomial. Now in the next line, this is the loop where polynomial evaluation happens. Here in the first line, this loop runs n times iterating over each coefficient in the coefficient list as I starts from 0 and goes up to n minus 1, since range generates from numbers from 0 to n minus 1. Now we'll see the calculation of polynomial terms. Here coefficient I retrieves the coefficient for the I and ith term in the polynomial, and this line refers this part calculates the power of x. X for the I. Here ith term is equals to this expression determines the power of x, and x for the current term, the highest degree of x, and I increases the degree of x and x decreases. So this expression where coefficient I into x into n minus 1 minus I computes the value of I, ith term in the polynomial, and this adds the calculated term to the result variable accumulating the sum of the all terms. Now in the next line, this line returns the final value of the polynomial after all terms have been added up. Here the result is the value of the polynomial. Here px evaluated at the provided x. Now in the next line, polynomial coefficients, this line defines a list called coefficient, and the list contains 1, minus 3 and 2. This represent the polynomial as x square minus 3x plus 2. This first coefficient 1 corresponds to x square and minus 3 corresponds to minus 3x, and the 2 is the constant term. Now in the next line, here we define the value of x. This line defines a variable and assigns it the value 5. This is the value at which we want to evaluate the polynomial. The polynomial will be calculated as p is equals to 5, which means we will substitute x is equals to 5. Now in the next line, here we call the compute polynomial function and we pass coefficient 1, minus 3 and 2 and the value 5 as argument to the function. The function computes the value of the polynomial at x is equals to 5 and returns the result. Here the result is then stored in the variable result. Now in the next line, the f string, the value of the polynomial at x, is a way of formatting the string. It inserts the value of x value and the computed result directly to the string. So let's check this program. as the value of polynomial x is equals to 5 is 12. So 12 is the calculated value of the polynomial. So thanks for watching this video.